Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm showing you a small glimpse, or you can say an example of how bad the housing crisis is in Canada. You might have heard stories like 20 plus people living in a basement, and see an example where somebody is advertising this. Looking for a couple that will live with another working couple in downtown Toronto in a 2 bed, 2 bath condo. So that means somebody has a condominium and wants to rent to two families, or like two couples, whatever you say. So this is the how bad the situation is. I mean, imagine you live in a condominium or flat, and you are like sharing your house with somebody you don't know. It's like I this is not an ideal preference for me, but yeah, situations dominate your choice. So definitely, many people will prefer. Many will. I should not use the word prefer, but will agree to it based on their circumstances. So this is really going on. Just an example. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.